This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, May 14th. I'm James Spann. As advertised, it's been a soaking rainy day for the state. We've had some heavy rain at times, some thunder, lightning, but all that ends late tonight. And hey, we turn cool tomorrow. Let's go in there and take a look out the window. These are some of the Skycam shots around the network, and that pretty much tells the story. That's our Trussville Skycam, where a soaking rain is falling at mid-afternoon. That's our Skycam coming from Parrish up in Walker County. Same deal there in a steady rain. But look at that now. That's Hamilton's Skycam about 2:30, and you can see a few patches of blue sky overhead. But a new batch of storms is about to cross over into West Alabama. And by the time you watch this, they will have had more rain there. Large upper trough, full latitude trough, moving in from the west, aiding in the formation of the rain today. That's a radar look at 2:31, and you can see how most of the state is getting a big soaking. The western counties were dry at that point, but you can see that new batch of storms about to enter West Alabama from Mississippi. And that'll be producing some lightning, thunder, heavy downpours. Let's look at our numbers. We've got mostly upper 60s and low 70s, and that's good. The air is nice and stable, so severe weather should not be a problem here. Cullman only at 67, and man, look at the colder air coming in behind that front. It's only 53 at Memphis and Little Rock. They're barely out of the 40s this afternoon. Pretty remarkable for the middle of May. And you can see how much of the central U.S. is very chilly. And then you go back on the West Coast, and it's hot. Los Angeles and San Diego, they're dealing with heat and big wildfire issues down in San Diego again today. That's a severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 7 o'clock this evening for some of the counties up in the Tennessee Valley, up in the middle Tennessee. That's a marginal threat. I just don't think we have any problems. Maybe some gusty winds and hail, but it's a very marginal situation. It's kind of an odd-shaped slight risk, and the reason they took out central Alabama is because we're just cool and stable because of the rain. The real core risk is up north, states like Ohio, West Virginia, western Pennsylvania, where they have much higher helicity values. In fact, they're under a tornado watch up there. This is the rain through Monday morning of next week, and basically this is the rain that came down today. After tonight, things look pretty dry for a while. Check the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Trough axis is still a little west of the state, but we're in a dry slot. We think the sky becomes partly sunny during the afternoon, and the high only in the middle 60s. The GFS is showing a high only at 64. That's almost 20 degrees below average. And we think the day will be dry. This is the high-res NAM showing the rain exiting the state. This is at 4 a.m., so a good chance by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning the rain is out of here. This is Friday. Look at the 540 line all the way down to almost Huntsville. And again, Friday is going to be a cooler than average day. We'll see a high close to 70. For our part of the state, we think the day will be dry. The sky partly sunny. Saturday, as we start the weekend, low humidity. We'll start the day down in the middle 40s. In fact, we'll be in the mid-40s both Friday and Saturday morning. Not many more of those left until the summer gets here. Again, the high Saturday in the mid-70s. And Sunday, a little spoke coming around the trough, maybe squeezing out a touch of light rain over the Tennessee Valley. But down this way, the air is so dry, we're not going to mention that. So could there be a sprinkle up around Huntsville or Fort Payne? Yes, but in our part of the state, the chance is very, very small. We should reach the upper 70s on Sunday. Next week looks pretty dry. This is Monday. We'll reach the low to mid-80s. We note that new storm over the high plains. That will really not affect us. This is Tuesday. We're dry and warm. And Wednesday, a week from today, warm and dry with highs in the mid to upper 80s. The first half of the week looks dry as a bone here. Check the end of the forecast, May 29th. The core of the westerlies shifting north, as you might expect in late May. And down below that looks warm and humid and the typical risk of scattered afternoon showers and storms. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.